Understanding a close-up in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to unravel the meaning behind a close-up. Whether you're a budding photographer or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. A close-up refers to a type of shot that tightly frames a person or an object. This phrase is often used in photography and filmmaking to describe a shot that captures fine details and expressions that might be missed in a wider view. For example, a close-up in a movie might show just a character's face to capture their emotional reaction. Beyond cameras and screens, a close-up is also used metaphorically. It can describe an intimate look at any subject, not just a visual one. If someone says, "Let's take a close-up look at this issue," they're suggesting a detailed and focused examination. In everyday language, a close-up has crept into various expressions. When someone says they need a close-up of a document, they might be asking for a detailed summary rather than a photograph. It's all about context and the idea of looking at something closely and intently. And that's a wrap on a close-up. We hope this video has given you a clearer picture of this versatile phrase. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a pro. See you in the next video.